Welcome back to the channel. If you are ready to embrace your curls without breaking the bank, let's dive into the essentials of maintaining vibrant and healthy curly hair. First and foremost, focus on washing and conditioning your curls the right way. Try to wash your hair less frequently, ideally every 3 to 5 days. This allows your scalp to retain those precious natural oils, keeping your curls hydrated and bouncy. Choose a sulfate-free shampoo that cleanses without stripping your hair of its moisture, or consider co-washing with a conditioner, which serves as a gentle cleanser. Deep conditioning is your best friend. Treat your hair to a nourishing mask once a week to infuse intense hydration and combat dryness. Moving on to detangling and styling, remember to treat your curls gently. Detangle your hair when it's wet and coated in conditioner using a wide-tooth comb to prevent breakage. Avoid brushing dry curly hair as it can lead to unwelcome frizz. Apply your styling products when your hair is still wet, allowing leave-in conditioners, curl creams, and gels to lock in moisture. Don't forget to scrunch your curls afterward, as this technique helps enhance their definition and bounce while steering clear of heavy products that might weigh your hair down. Now let's talk about drying and protecting your curls. Aim to minimize the use of heat tools, as heat can lead to damage and frizz. When you must use a blow dryer, pair it with a diffuser for even air distribution. Consider the plopping method by wrapping your wet curls in a microfiber towel or a soft t-shirt to absorb excess moisture while preserving curl shape. Protect your hair while you sleep with a satin bonnet or silk pillowcase, or try the pineapple method by loosely tying your curls up at night. Regular trims are crucial for maintaining those lovely curls. Getting a trim every 6 to 8 weeks helps to eliminate split ends, ensuring your hair remains healthy and well-defined. Lastly, shield your curls from the sun's rays with a hat and explore products specifically formulated for curly hair. Remember, embracing your unique curl pattern is a journey, so be patient as you discover what works best for you. For more tips, tricks, and affordable solutions for your curly hair, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and keep rocking those gorgeous curls.